Hello, welcome back. Last time we said we wanted to create three different directory routes or directory paths, and that was photos, travels, 2024, and photos, family, 2024, and photos, work, 2024. And then we wanted to know how to create these directories all in one single pass. I'm currently at the user/charlie/tmp directory, which is just a this is just a directory I just created for this video, and it's currently empty. I can list the contents of the directory and there's nothing in it. And what I want to do is to create those different directories with a single command. So I'm going to do mkdir, and then I'm going to add the p option to tell mkdir to create the parts of the path that I'm going to be passing to it. And then I can do photos, which is going to be my main directory, and then I'm going to put a slash, and if I put brackets I can do what is called an expansion. And what this is going to do is going to take the values that I put inside of the brackets, and it's going to create different strings of text for each one of the values. So for example, I can do travels, and we said it's also family, and travels. I mean not travels, work. Then I can put a slash, and then I can do 2024. And then once I hit enter, I can do ls photos, and now you can see that I have a family directory, a travels directory, and a work directory, which is what we wanted. But then inside these directories there should also be a 2024 directory, so let's see that. ls family, I forgot to change into the photos directory, so I'm going to cd photos. There we have our three directories, so now we can do ls family, and now we see 2024, and we could do that for all the three directories, but instead we can use the same expansion. So let's do ls family travels work. Oh, I made a mistake. And now you see that we get family, and this is the contents of the family directory. We get travels, and this is the contents of the travels directory, and then work, and again we have a 2024 directory inside work. So how does this actually work? Okay, let's move back to the tmp directory. I'm going to remove photos. I can use echo to explore how this works. So I'm going to do echo photos, travels, family, and work, and then 2024. And now I see that I get three different strings: photos, travels, 2024, photos, family, 2024, photos, work, 2024. I also use brace expansion to create sequences. For example, if I do echo 1.5, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can do the same with letters. It gives me A, B, C, D, E, F, and if I use capital letters, I'm going to get the result in capital letters. So let's see that in action. Now I get A, B, C, D, E, F, but this is now written in capital letters. And you could use this, for example, to create a directory that has subdirectories, one for each letter of the alphabet, and then you can organize your files alphabetically. So we can do mkdir my files, and then a.c, but don't forget to put the p option. And then if we list the contents of the current directory, we get my files, and then if we list the contents of my files, we get one directory for each one of the letters of the alphabet. You can also create combinations of expansions. So for example, if I do echo A through C, 1 through 3, and now I get A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. And you might not be using this every day, but when you need it, it really comes in handy. Now consider the following sentence. Hello, John. Hello, Maria. And how would you write that using brace expansion? So your first attempt might be to put hello and then put the braces, and inside the braces put John and Maria. But that's not going to work the way you might expect it. So let's try that out. Echo hello, John, Maria, and now you get hello John Maria instead of getting hello John, hello Maria. The reason this happens is because expansion works on words. So when you execute a command like this one, echo hello John Maria, the interpreter first splits this into words and then expands each word. So in this case we have one word, 2 words, and 3 words. And it expands or tries to expand each one of these words independently. So echo is, it doesn't have any expansion. Hello has no expansion at all. John and Maria get expanded to John Maria. And then once this expansion has been done, the command is executed. So it just ends up doing echo hello John Maria. So the way you would do that is you need to find a way to make hello and then the braces into a single word. And to do that, you could use single quotation marks. So for example, I could say hello, echo, hello, John Maria. And now using these quotation marks is going to make this whole thing into a single word. And now we're going to get the result that we were expecting. So hello John, hello Maria. Now you know how brace expansion works and how to use it. And I'm curious to know what you could use it for, or what ideas you got just while watching this video. Let me know in the comments, and make sure to follow so that you can stay tuned with my new videos.